Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Banyada yaki pajba nong sosnong kejela nau kunyang jingpang COVID-19 neu coronavirus. Hakakan reu trek matau benai leber arajar arpau. Lapan mi ru yaka hukum. Ban Khang no Shuwa ya boro ki Jaka Pule hakani kejela Meghalaya tat adu ka laipoi trek benai leber menta osnam arajar arpau. Kani ka hukum ban pensange penlong kelas Shuwa haboro ki skol ki college ber ki skol ba. Handai lasya ban pelong tangi kitu kibaran hapdang ki eksamen baper-baper balapanya dek embos ICSE CBSE bat kenihu. Hakajing bot dien ke Batesi TV tangah kasing ki babon kata hakatnya terek. Hadien bak Sorkar Meghalaya kalapan mi ya keni ka hukum. Hanong ba Shillong lalam ba keni ka hukum kala Treikam Pura. Haka bala sakhi ya kajing Khang lot ki skol ki college ber ki skol ba. Hakajing persang banyo jingkran na ki klen op punya skol halor keni ka raj ku Sorkar. Ki babon hi naki kimdai ki bakwa ban katho ni yaro. Lain no tong principal jong ka Shillong College u balapan pau ye kajing suya ha kajong u halor kani ka sinjam jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya.
It is essential because as per the directive from the Health and Family Welfare Government of India, large gatherings are to be avoided. Social gatherings or any kind of gathering where there are number of people are uncounted. Okay? Such should be avoided. Those things should be avoided. So as per the directive that we have received from the Government of Meghalaya, we have received the notification yesterday evening at 4:30 p.m. So from this morning, we have suspended all our activities, academic as well as non-academic activities. Everything has been suspended in the college. A precautionary measure, because it has been observed world over that it is the virus, the so-called this coronavirus, is being transmitted from human to human, and if any one is in contact with an infected person and he keeps on roaming in the society, and from him or her another person may get this infection. So in order to break the chain, okay, we need to confine ourselves so that the virus cannot spread from one human being to another human being. This is essential. Apart from other medical procedure treatment which has been given, this is one of the precautions that we must take, and maintain proper hygiene. This has been already there in the media, everywhere, wherever you look. These things are being advertised. Even when you pick up a phone call, there is advisory issued by the Government of India. So these are for the precautionary measure, whatever one can take to prevent the spread of the virus in the society. Yeah, it is a big loss for the entire nation, of course, not only for the students, everyone, no one is getting anything out of this, but it is a big loss for the entire, the country, the state, all over the world. It's a big economic loss. But what to do? We have to survive first, then think about progress.